Still not your wallet? No problem. By the end of this, it will be. Let me show you exactly how to flip a meme coin and walk away with serious gains. Before we dive into the exact strategy, let's get one thing straight. You need to launch your meme coin the right way, and if you're using Pump Fund, quit wasting your time. Load up Photon, filter by Pump Fund DEX, and you'll see an endless list of meme coins being created. Check out PumpV and WPE just for an example. Those are already set to fail. The reason? Pump Fund is overloaded, and with zero barriers to entry, every random person is launching a token there. Take a look at Radium, and you'll immediately see the difference. The competition is practically non-existent. Over the past 4 minutes, only 4 coins have launched. And unlike other platforms, people are actually searching for these new meme coins. Just check out these liquidity numbers. It's wild. So why are buyers flooding in? Because launching here requires actual coding skills, which instantly makes these coins more trustworthy. That's why Radium is the only choice. Let me show you exactly how to get started. Guys, this is ridiculous. I found this tool called Launch Tool, and it literally lets you launch a coin on Radium without needing to code anything. Just a couple of clicks, and you're done. I've been using this for the past month, and the money I've made is absolutely insane. I just searched Google and found a solid logo that fits my coin's theme perfectly. I always stick to animals, but you might know that I stick to dogs coins most of the times. Now, head over to Canva, set up a 128 by 128 pixel canvas, tweak the image if needed, and save it. Easy. Next step would be going back to Launch Tool. Just put the right details for your coin. I'll add Doge's bro for the token name and DUGG for the symbol. For the description, I'll put something like Doge finally got his brother. I would recommend you adding something funny as well. As for the token logo, just upload your coin's logo, then click Next. Here, we can adjust the decimals and token supply. Don't mess with these settings, because we are going to need that 1 billion supply anyway. So just proceed to the next page. The Modify Creator Information page allows us to add a creator name and a website, but it just ain't worth it. It would cost you 0.1 Solana to change any of those, so I'll just turn it off and click Next. Alright, in this section, you can add social media links if you want to, but you probably know I don't put any links in there because it's just not necessary at all. So I'll skip it. Oh yeah, this is a very important one. You don't want to touch anything in this section. Just as an example, if you switch off the revoke freeze, it will allow you to freeze all the token trading. Could you just guess what that means? Well, if future investors see that you disabled that option, or any of these 3, your coin would literally get red flagged. And that means you will set yourself up for loss, because it will look extremely sketchy and untrustworthy in investors' eyes. So please save yourself from failure, and keep your hands off these settings. And what you want to do right now is just click Launch My Token Now. Within seconds, your wallet will appear. You will get a pop-up for the transaction, and you should just approve it. Yep, it was as easy as that. Your token is finally live. Do you see the power that Launch Tool holds? It's just very beginner-friendly. Anyway, let's get back to the topic. Now, you can see all the details for your token, but what is important to me is just checking if it exists on SolScan. So I'll just check it by clicking View on SolScan. Good, our coin appears on the network. Pay close attention now. To make our token become tradable, we need to set up liquidity. You want to head back to Launch Tool and click Create Liquidity Pool. You will be directed to Radium. If your wallet isn't connected, just connect it like this. Next, we need to add our coin as the base token. Click on it, go back to Launch Tool, copy your token's address, then paste it into this search bar on Radium. We still have the necessary details that we need to fill, just like we did in Launch Tool before. So I'll just enter DUGG for the symbol and Doge's bro for the name. Hit Add User Token and click this button as well. In this tab, enter 900 million. For the trading pair, aka the quote token, always go with Solana. Literally, you're the first buyer of your own coin, so click the max button cause. There's no way you can lose anything. To make your coin look appealing and legit to future buyers, you should have at least 1 SOL for good liquidity. Cut down the total amount by 0.2 SOL because Radium has a 0.2 SOL creation fee. Under the initial price section, you can see the fee tier. You should always select the 2% option. Always double check the details you entered, then we can safely proceed. So click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Just confirm the required transaction. Alright, The pool's been created, which means people can invest in our coin at this very moment. And just like that, when you check Photon's list, you shall see your coin on there, like I can see mine. Now, I want to check my tokens chart and see how many incredible orders I will get. How you can check it as well is by going to deckscreener.com and clicking on a random coin from the entire list. Once it loads, copy your token's address from Launch Tool, remove the random coin's address, and replace it with your coin's address instead. Just hit enter on your keyboard or even refresh the page if needed. Wait for it to load. Yeah, there is our chart. You might keep asking yourself, what are these small transactions? Well, they're just bot trades. Do not even bother looking at them, because they're just doing their thing, you know. But you should only focus on the juicy orders that you will get in a short time. You know what, guys? Right now, I just came to a conclusion that I will wait a couple of minutes probably until we get the first order delivered into our hands. All right, we got our first order already, which is lovely. I'm sure we will get more orders though. Pay attention to these now. Currently, the liquidity is at $258 and the market cap is at $150. But I am absolutely positive that these numbers will almost skyrocket. So let's chill a bit and see if that's true. I guess I was completely right. Another order just came in. Nice. It's almost worth $75, or in the Solana amount 0.6. And on top of that, the order showed up only 26 seconds ago. Amazing news for real. I must let you know something. For this method, no marketing is needed. You can go ahead and rug the coin again and again, because there are no limits, guys. Tell me, isn't that just overpowered? Anyway, let's see what else we could get. Wow, another order already? This time it's worth an insane $80, which equals 0.67 Sol. When you take a look at this enormous chart, shit, it's up a total of 633% from where it was before. My eyes are definitely pleased seeing this. So folks, you know what time it is. It's time to rug this coin and cash out some profit. You gotta watch this very carefully. Go to Radium and connect your wallet like this. Click on Standard, which you can see just below the My Positions text, and you'll see your current status right here. You want to click the minus button right now, then put the slider to the right until you see 100%. Keep in mind that this shows how much liquidity you can withdraw. But what you should focus on the most is the Solana amount here, as that is what you will actually get transferred to your wallet. So, after all of that, just click Remove Liquidity. As always, confirm the needed transaction. You will see a message saying Remove Liquidity Confirmed, which means that when we open the Phantom wallet, we will see the total amount we got into our wallet. I invested about $180 and almost made that same amount. But let me point something out. I am not associated with Launch Tool, Photon, or Radium. Everything I have shown you is solely for educational purposes. I have no idea how much longer this method will be around, guys, but right now, it's pure gold. Make sure you take full advantage before it's gone.